Hello students. Today we will see the topic email services. Okay. So what here written to use the email you have to create an email account. Okay. So email account, most of the email account are free of cost. Okay. So here it is written now some have started charging a fee. So most of the email services, email accounts are free of cost. Okay, so free or not, you have to register, choose an email ID, and set a password to avail email services. Okay, so you have to register in the email account. You have to set a password to use the email services. So you can access your email account from anywhere in the world, provided you have an internet connection. Okay, so these things you understood. So email can be used from anywhere in the world. So some of the email services are what? www.hotmail.com, then yahoo.com, rediff.com, google.com, right? Now next thing, how to open an email account. To understand the process of creating an email account, let us discuss on the steps with the email service provided by www.rediff.com. Okay. So how to open an email account? So here it is given the example of rediff.com. First of all, step by step, connect to the internet and open any browser, say like Internet Explorer, any browser you can open. Then type www.rediff.com in the address bar. So here you can see the address bar. So this is the address bar where you have to type the internet address, website address, and then press the enter key. Right. The home page of the website will appear on the screen. So this is the home page of the rediff.com. See, home page of rediff.com. So home page, the front page, the main page of any website is called the home page. So in home page you can see many things are given. Next step C. To open a new account, click the create a Rediff mail account option, or click the Rediff mail icon and then click create a new account. So here you will see many options are given, many things are given. So you have if you want to create an Rediff mail account, email account, then you have to press here, click here. See here the icon is made Rediff mail. So this mail account icon is made here. You can click here, then it will go to the create email page, or other option is what? Click the Rediff mail account option. Okay, then you can create the Rediff mail account. Next step, 4 number, fill the information sought by the service provider and click the create my account button. If some obligatory entries are not filled or filled incorrectly, the email program will prompt you to fill the blank fields. That means, so this 4th number step is about the filling the form, filling the information about yourself. Okay, so every email provider asks you to fill some details about you, your name, your surname, your date of birth, your gender, everything. Okay, so it is given in the next page. So you can see this picture is given in the next page. See, this is the things you have to fill, like mobile number, date of birth, gender, I live in, which country you live, city. So all this small details you have to enter. So next 5 number step, once all the entries are filled properly, your account will be created. So when you fill all the informations correctly, then your account will be created and the next page will appear. A page will appear wherein you will be asked to set up a Rediff mail profile. All the entries on this page are optional. You can choose to either fill this right away or leave for later. Okay, so you can fill the things which are asked in this next page. So these are optional things, whether you fill now or later on. Okay. Next, to go to your inbox, go to the inbox button. So you will go to the inbox. So by clicking the inbox button, so here you can see. So after filling all the information, see it will show like this. Okay, my education, my occupation, these are optional things. You are no need to fill now. So next, go to inbox. When you click this button, go to inbox. next page will appear. So this is the inbox page. Okay, so where in all the messages are stored. Okay, so this is your new account, so there is no messages, only one message from rediff.com, welcome message, welcome to Rediff Mail. So when you create any account, whether it is Rediff Mail or Yahoo Mail or Hotmail or Gmail, you will get this welcome messages, one or two welcome messages. It will be stored in the inbox folder. Okay, a page will appear showing an email features provided by Rediff Mail. As your account is new, you can find a welcome message from your email service provider Rediff in the inbox. Click the write mail option if you want to send mail to anyone. So if you want to send email to any person, then where will you go? You have to click this write mail. So when you click this write mail, then one new page will appear where you can write your mail. See, after clicking the write mail, this page has appeared. So this is the write mail option, write mail page, where you will write your messages. So here two field is there, whom you are sending. You have to write the address, okay, of that person. Then subject, you have to write the subject, hello or anything, whatever you want. Then attach a file, that means any picture, any video, any audio, anything you can attach your file here. And this is the message area, that means the body of the letter or application. So you can write here everything whatever you want. So these are the things, basic things you will see in every email service provider.